It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We are here at Palm Beach Children's Hospital, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with Dr. Ann Fisher, pediatric surgeon at Palm Beach Children's Hospital, and Dr. David Kay, pediatric ear, nose, and throat surgeon from West Boca Medical Center, also a Palm Beach Health Network hospital, about the importance of not delaying care for your children. Dr. Fisher, can you tell us what it means to be a pediatric surgeon and what you specialize in?
As a pediatric surgeon, we're first trained in adult general surgery and board certified in that, and then we go on for specialty training in pediatric surgery. So it's actually a unique specialty in itself to range problems from congenital problems to all the types of problems that teenagers also have.
Dr. Kay, can you tell us why you chose to be a pediatric ENT surgeon and what you specialize in?
Otolaryngology, or ear, nose, and throats, really has the advantage of having a huge impact on patients' quality of life. We can take people who can't hear and make them hear, people who can't breathe and make them breathe. It's very satisfying for the patient and in turn very gratifying for the doctor. And I found that of all the patients, our children were indeed the most precious.
Dr. Fisher, people want to know what they can expect when bringing their child to the hospital for a procedure or an emergency. Can you talk about what measures have been put in place to ensure the safety of all patients, COVID and non-COVID?
I know it's a challenging time for all parents, but when you come to the hospital 2 days before you have an elective surgery, your child would get a COVID test. And then if you were to come emergently or just arrive for another reason, we have temperature scans, everyone is wearing masks. We have those screens up at all the receptionists. Everyone is social distancing and really following the CDC guidelines.
Dr. Kay, emergencies are still happening and people are unsure if and when to seek help. Tell us why it's important to not delay care and how to know when to seek medical help.
Just like your priorities are the health and safety of your children, our priorities are the health and safety of your children. If you think that something is wrong, if something doesn't seem right, please contact your doctor. Most of the pediatricians have the opportunity for telemedicine where you can interact with them even from your own home. And if you need to come to the office, then some have separate waiting times for sick versus healthy patients. Let me also say that the internet is an outstanding resource of information, but can also be a very dangerous supply of misinformation. Simple problems with simple solutions can very easily become big problems with complications if not dealt with quickly and appropriately.
Dr. Fisher and Dr. Kay, what sets your hospitals apart from others? Can you share with us why parents would choose Palm Beach Children's Hospital and West Boca Medical Center?
Both hospitals give award-winning care. You really want your child in the hands of pediatric specialists. You might not know them, you might not visit them in a clinic or select your surgery for that, but they're a very critical part of the team. And it's that depth of field that we have with specialists to take care of your child's needs that are all pediatric fellowship trained in different specialties that are so critical in the ICUs, the NICU.
West Boca Medical Center has the best of both worlds. It's a small boutique community hospital that's very user-friendly for patients and families. We also have an outstanding team, especially in the pediatric realm, of pediatric nurses, pediatric hospitalists, pediatric intensivists, and pediatric medical and surgical specialists to take care of any problems that may arise. And we work not as individuals, but together as a team to make sure your child is as safe and as healthy as possible.
Dr. Fisher, how has the pandemic affected the patient population you see? Have you seen an increase in cases?
What I've seen is actually an increase in late-stage presentation of cases. But you really need to address the care of your child, and we can help you with that, both a pediatrician with virtual health. I can do a virtual health to say this is critical to come in or not, and then you can come in depending those that we've selected that absolutely need to have those issues addressed.
Thank you, Dr. Fisher and Dr. Kay, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it is important to take care of your health and your loved ones. If you need care, please don't hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at Palm Beach Children's Hospital and West Boca Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.